Namaste and welcome to Desi Roots Hindi online classes. What we are going to learn today is matras. Now, what are matras? Matras are short form of Hindi vowels. So, as we know, we have 12 Hindi vowels which are a, e, u, e, o, aha. So what you see on the screen is the vowels are written on the first line in orange background, and then we have the short forms which are written in the green. These are what is matras. Now the vowels also you see on the last line we have an English word which is an example of the swar or the matra. Now remember the vowel or the matra is always a sound. So we have a as an tack, a as an arc, a as an a in, e as an e go, o as an o put, u boot, a eight, a sack, o old, o offer, o office, um umbrella, uncle, aha. We don't have an example of an English word with the word aha. And then we have re, which also we don't have an English example. The most common example in Hindi words is the word rishi, which means a sage. Now, you would see the aw sound actually is written in two different ways. Okay, we write it like this and we write it like this. We write it like this when we spell a native English word which has been now adopted in Hindi. For example, the word office, which is now used in Hindi. So when we want to write the word office, we use this or, and when we want to use say a word like aurat, we use this one. Okay, so those are the vowels and the matras. So now let us look at how do the matras combine with consonants. So we have these consonants which are, for example, ka. This combines with a matra and we get the next letter. Ka combines with a matra. So we write ka and then we write the matra, which is the horizontal line, oh sorry, the vertical line besides the matra, and we get the new letter. So like this we get 12 different letters. So what are these letters? So let's say them. Ka, ka, ke, ki, ku, ku, ke, ke, ko, kau, kam, kaha. Now, if you recite these all combinations, then your Hindi gets more clear and your pronunciation of Hindi gets more clear and crisp. So you can also sing them in the tune of Twinkle Twinkle. You can go ka ka ki ku ke ko kau kam kaha ko kau kam kaha and so on. Now let's see how are the matras. Let's before that let's see. As we said that matras are short forms of vowels. Now the matras vowels are always written as matras or short forms unless they're the first letter of the word. So example, let's take the word Anand. Anand, we have A as the first letter. Now here, A cannot combine with a consonant because there's no consonant before it. There has to be a consonant where before it to combine. So we have A, so A is written by itself. Another example could be where we have two vowels written after one another. Example, the word IE. We have two vowels, A, E, and then Ye is the third one in that same sequence. So all three of them are written by themselves. We have another word here, kawa. In kawa, kau is actually a combination of the consonant ka and the matra au. So ka and au becomes kau, and then we have a which is written after that because we have au here, and so a follows au. That's why it is written by itself. Okay, so those are the two exceptions. Let's go a little more deeper and try to understand matras. We have the a matra, and the a matra is represented by the letter A at the Desi Roots Hindi classes. So now let's understand that a matra is always a sound. So if you see these English words, you'll hear the sound a, though you might not necessarily see the letter A being written. So we have a, b, bud, a, r, run, a, s, sun. So let's see how is a matra formed. So a matra is formed by combining a with a half letter. So what is a half letter? So as in English you have full, in English you have capital letters and small letters. In Hindi you have full letters and half letters. So for example, K is the full letter, K is the half letter. Okay, and this half letter K combines with a, and we get the full letter K. Okay, similarly we have half letter G combines with a, and we get G. Now if we say this in Hindi, we would say K के साथ a मिला बन गया K. G के साथ a मिला बन गया G. Let's look at the A matra. Now the A matra is represented by the letter A with a bar on top of it, indicating that it's a long sound. A is a short sound. A is a long sound. Okay, and let us look at these English words which have the A sound in it. So we have A, Ba, Ban, A, Ya, Yan, A, Pa, Pam. So let's see how this is formed. We have K, which meets with A, okay, and we get Ka. So what did we do? We took K and we wrote the short form on besides it, and we got Ka. Similarly, we have G ke saath A mila ban gaya Ga. So which is Ga? The first one or the second one? The second one, you're right. Because if you see, G already has this one line besides it, so we have to add a second line. So this one is incorrect. Now let us just compare A and A matra. So we have A matra and we have A matra. English examples: A, B, bud, Ba, A, Ba, ban, R, run, A, Ya, yan, A, S, sun, A, P, Pa, palm. Okay, so I hope that you'll have good grasp of the matras with this slide. Now, remember, you can always buy our Hindi books or attend our online Hindi classes.